Hello children, I am Prasanna. In this video, I am going to explain 4.5 exercise of Unit 4 Basic Geometrical Ideas. So in my last video, I have explained what is circle and what are its parts, center, radius, diameter, arc, circumference, so many. You can see in the previous video children. Now coming to here, 4.5 exercise. First question, draw a circle and name its center, radius, diameter and an arc. You have to draw a circle with the using compass children. Here I am drawing roughly, but you should draw with the using geometrical instrument. You know how to draw a circle, right? So draw a circle. So this is the center. Okay, if I name it as O, name it center. Means here you can write any alphabet. It's not compulsory to write O. Center point. Point is represented with any alphabet. That too you have to use capital letters. So here I am saying taking center O and radius. What is radius? A line segment joining from center to any point on the circle. This is nothing but radius. Yes, this part is radius. So how many radii can be drawn to a circle? You can draw infinite radii and all the radii of a circle are equal. So here this point I am naming it as A. So what is radius here? Radius is nothing but OA in the figure, right? Next, diameter. What is diameter? A line segment joining any 2 points on the circle passing to center. So these are the 2 points. If I draw a line segment like this, it is joining 2 points on the circle and passing through center of the circle. So this one is nothing but diameter, and diameter is also a chord and it is the longest chord. Now name these points with any alphabets. BC. So what is the diameter here? Diameter is nothing but here BC, right? Next, arc. Arc is nothing but any part on the circumference of a circle. So any part you can take, or here also this is also an arc you can write. Okay, suppose I am taking another part here, circumference of any part on the circumference of circle. So D, E, F. So arc is represented with 3 letters. So write arc is nothing but D, E, F. This curved one is nothing but the symbol for an arc. Second question, shade the regions in the circle. Sector with red color, minor segment with yellow color. Here what is sector children? Sector is nothing but region enclosed by 2 radii and an arc. Okay, if you see this figure, see from O to A it is 1 radius and from O to B it is also 1 radius and this will be arc. So it is a sector. 2 radii and an arc region will give you sector. They are asking you to shade the sector with red color. So I am shading this sector with red color. So this is nothing but sector, right? Now coming to segment. They are asking minor segment. Minor segment with yellow color. If you see the question in the textbook, these two they have given with the same size and shape. Okay, so minor means these two are minors and they are asking you to shade minor segment with yellow color. See, if I draw with yellow you are unable to see, so I am shading with the blue color. Okay, so in the notes you can shade this with the yellow colors. So these two are minor segments. Next, coming to third question, say true or false. In that first question, we can locate only one center in a circle. Yes or no? How many centers can be located in a circle? Only one. So we can locate only one center in a circle is what? True. Next, second one, diameter is twice the radius. Twice is nothing but here 2 times. See, if it is a circle, this is radius and from here to here radius. So how many radii you got here? R plus R nothing but 2R and this whole part is what? Diameter. So diameter is nothing but twice into radius. It is correct. So true. Next, an arc is a part of a circle. Part of a circle means yes, and it's a circumference of a circle, isn't it? So it is true. Next, all chords are equal in length. All chords are equal in length means what? Here they are saying all chords are equal. Is it equal? See, this is a circle. Chords are nothing but the line segment joining any 2 points on the circle. So this is one chord, I can say. This is also chord, and this is one chord. This is chord. These all are chords. Now, can you say they are equal or not? They are not equal because see, this is compared to very small compared to this chord, isn't it? So chords are not equal. Here they said all chords are equal. So it is false. Chords are not equal, but diameters and radii are equal. Now coming to here, fifth one, all radii are not equal in length. In reverse they gave. See, this is a circle, children. Radius is nothing but from center to any point on the circle. See, these all are what? Radius only. So, here, what did you observe? Here, the radius, all the radii of a circle are equal in length, but they said not equal. So, it is also false. Coming to last question in this 4.5 exercise, children. Fourth question. It is like activity. Try to do by using paper, children. So, take a circular sheet of paper, fold it into 2 halves. So, take one circular sheet, circle shape paper, and fold it into 2 halves. Press the fold and open it. Then what you observe? There will be some crease like that. Yes, do you find the crease of a diameter? Yes, isn't it? Now, so this is center, suppose. Repeat the same activity by changing the fold. First you fold it vertically and fold it horizontally. When you fold like this, you will get one more crease. How many diameters did you observe? So if I fold like this, one more diameter you will get. If I fold one more diameter, so here how many diameters do you observe here? So we get so many diameters, right? So many diameters can be observed. Observe. Now coming to how many more diameters can be formed? Yes, so many means infinite diameters can be drawn to a circle. So how many diameters can be drawn? Infinite diameters can be formed. And all diameters are of equal length. Right? All the radii are equal, all the diameters are equal, but all the chords are not equal. So try to do this activity with the paper, children. So by this sum we completed 4.5 and that 4th chapter basic geometrical ideas.